Hello student, let me continue. Exercise 5.3, sum number 17 to 20. Chapter 5th, Arithmetic Progression. In a school, student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. Listen carefully, dear students. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 tree, so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many sections? 3 sections. So we have to find how many trees will be planted by the student. Solution: tree planted by class 1. 3 section, first class, 3 1 ja 3. Trees planted by class 2. 3 2 ja 6. By class 3, 9. So terms are 3, 6, 9 up to 12th class. Here A 3, D 3 and 12. Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Put the values. Cutting 2 3 ja 6, 12 minus 1 11 into 3, 234 trees planted by class 1 to 12. Total trees. Now the sum number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircle with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5. Let I am making its figure here. Point A, semicircle. This one point B, semicircle. Every time radius increased by 0.5 centimeter. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Solution: 1 2 3 4, just like 13 semicircles, and we have to find its length. Length of first semicircle pi r, pi same, r 0.5. Length of second semicircle pi r1. Now here r1 is 1. Length of third semicircle pi r2, pi same. Now r is 1.5 because every time radius increased by 0.5 centimeter. A 0.5 pi, D pi minus 0.5 pi makes 0.5 pi and 13. Now Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Simple solving. 13 by 2 same. 2 5s are 10, 1 pi plus 13 minus 1, 12 into 0.5 pi. 5, 12 5s are 60. Make 6 pi. 1 pi plus 6 pi makes 7 pi. Now put the value of pi. Cancel. Answer is 143 centimeter, length of 13 successive semicircles. Now the next. Sum number 19. 200 logs are stacked in such a following manner. Total number of logs 200. 20 logs in the bottom row, means to say A 20. 19 in the second row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. First 19, then 18, then 17, 16, up to so on. Means to say D is minus 1. 19, 18 minus 19 makes minus 1. In how many rows are 200 logs placed, and how many logs are there in top row? Apply formula, which we know that n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Values multiply 400, 40 minus n plus 1, 41 minus n. Now multiply it by 1, n. Standard form. Make right hand side 0. Now factorize. Factors are minus 25 n, minus 16 n. Splitting the middle term. N common, 16 common, n minus 25 common, n minus 16. Here n 25 and 16 both are positive. Let me check now how many logs are in top row. An, a plus n minus 1d, a, that is 20, n 25 minus 1, d is minus 1. Minus 4 rejected, because logs never be negative. That's why now we will take n 16. That is positive 5. So number of logs in the last row, that is 5 answer. Last question. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at a starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato. The other potato are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, then drop into the bucket, runs back to pick up next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in. She continue in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance covered by the competitor? To pick the first potato, that is 5 multiplied to 10 meter. To pick the first potato, distance is 2 into 5 plus 3, because second potato at a distance of 3 meter from the first potato, we have 16 meter. For the third potato, distance is 22 meter. Here A10, D6, N, number of potatoes are 10. Sn, formula same, we will apply. Now substitute the values. Solving. Multiply. Total distance covered by the girl to pick the all potatoes are 370 meter. Thank you.